Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Bree. Welcome. In today's video, we are going to be talking about something a little bit different. We are going to be talking about shaving, and specifically shaving the face. A while back, Jaclyn Hill did a video on, her shaving her face, and it got me really intrigued about it. So I then started shaving my face, and let me tell you, it has been a game changer for my makeup application. So I decided that I would do my own video on how and why I shave my face. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, then go ahead and just keep on watching. So first I'm going to start off by telling you a little bit of the benefits to shaving your face. It really does improve my makeup application. It just makes my foundation and everything just look so smooth and flawless. Another reason why I do it is because it really does exfoliate my skin so well. It gets all of the dead skin off of my face. And another reason why I do it is that it just feels so nice. After you shave your face, there's honestly no going back for me. Shaving your face just makes it feel so baby smooth, and I love it so much. So, the way that I do it is that I just pick up these little, well, these are brow shavers, but I like the little ones instead of there's our bigger one, there are longer ones out there, but I personally like the smaller ones better. I have a little bit more control with the little ones. The bigger ones, I feel like shave off something that you don't want. When you're getting really close up into your hairline, I made the mistake of kind of shaving off too much there. So that is the reason why I like these smaller ones. I got this one from TJ Maxx for $3.99. You can get these cheaper elsewhere too. I think you can get them off of Amazon for a couple of bucks. But I really wanted to try these ones out because these ones are by Ardell. And I think, a 3-pack for $3.99 is not too bad. I'm going to take the pink one here. I'm going to zoom you in too so that you can see a little bit better. So the way that I always do this is that I kind of pull my skin taut here, and then I just kind of go down with it a little bit. You really don't have to really push hard when you're shaving, and just look at all of that. Do you see that on my skin right there? Do you see that? That is all of the peach fuzz that's on my face right now. There's just so much hair. I am a hairy beast. Also, I can just see on the blade how much gunk is on my skin, and you can see just all of it there. Oof. It's really getting a good exfoliation on my skin. And you do want to be careful because you can cut yourself. I cut myself a little bit there, but it doesn't really hurt. But you want to use a gentle pressure. You don't really want to be digging at your skin. And this I do about twice a month, every 2 weeks I would say, just because my hair grows back so quickly on my face. And I do only use this for 1 or 2 uses, just because I feel like the newer the blade is, the better it does. Oh my gosh, you guys, do you see that? See all that hair? Oh. But definitely don't worry about your hair growing back in dark. That is something for me that I was very, very scared about, because I did not want, you know, like my mustache or like my facial hair to grow back in dark, but it really doesn't. It just grows back in like its normal color, the like pale blonde color. Be careful when you're going like around your eyebrows that you don't accidentally shave off the tail end of your eyebrow, because I have accidentally almost done that and kind of freaked me out. And it might not seem like it, but you do have little teeny tiny hairs on your nose as well. And if you are anything like me, I do have some blackheads on my nose, and just running this ever so slightly over your nose really exfoliates that and gets the little hairs. And then that is all there is to it. Just make sure that you have like a clean, dry face before you start. And after you get done shaving your face, I like to always go in with some moisturizer, just because after I've exfoliated, I want my skin to feel more hydrated. After you go in with moisturizer and whatnot, your skin feels so soft. I love doing this so much. I love the benefits to doing it. And these little razors that I just tried out today actually are really nice. They're very sharp, so be careful. So make sure that you are being careful when using these blades, because they can be very sharp. But yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!